Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem is used for finding any sides of a triangle with a 90-degree angle. The formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared and b squared are the legs and c squared is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the side of the triangle that is directly opposite of the 90-degree angle. So this problem is one side is 12 centimeters, one side is 5 centimeters, and we have to find this side, the hypotenuse. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So that means 12 squared plus 5 squared is the hypotenuse, or c, squared. 12 squared is 144, 5 squared is 25, and we add them up to get c squared. 144 plus 25 is 169, so we get 169 equals c squared. To find out c, we have to take the square root of 169, which is 13. So that means we found out this side is 13. Alright, our next problem, you're going to do first and then we'll check. We have one side, but we're trying to find this side. 15 squared plus b squared equals 17 squared. 15 squared is 225 plus b squared equals 289. 289 minus 225 is b squared. 289 minus 225 is 64. So to find b, we have to do the square root of 64 is 8. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications to get notified every single time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. This is how you pronounce it, the Pythagorean Theorem. Bye!